Hello dear aspirants. In this video, we are going to learn about the divisibility test for 99. It is yet another favorite number for SSC exams. So many times they ask question based on this 99. We start with an example. What is that we have to do for 99 divisibility test? So let us take this example. Whether this number is divisible by 99 or not. We have to check it. For that, you take this 99, write as product of co-primes, write 9 into 11. LCM is going to be 1 for both the number. So in order to check whether this number is divisible by 99, we have to check whether this number is divisible by 9 as well as divisible by 11. Okay. Now we'll go with the 9. So you try 9 means you can try with what? Combining 9. That concept. 11 means you find the difference to the number. The difference here is going to be -4. Here the difference is going to be -1. Here the difference is going to be -3. Here the difference is going to be what? +3. And then here 0 means it's going to be what? -6. +3 -3 if you add it get cancelled. And then you are having it's going to be -11. -11 is divisible by 11. Therefore, this number is what? Divisible by 11. Whether it is divisible by 9, that we can check it. So we can remove 9. So 3, 6, 9, 7 to 9, and then 8 plus 2, 10, 16, 22, 27. 27 is divisible by what? 9. So we can just combine 9 numbers and then we can remove. So every number is cancelled now. Therefore, this number is what? Divisible by 9. Or else you add all the numbers. The resultant number, whatever you are getting, that is divisible by 9. The entire number is what? Divisible by 9. So any of the concept you can apply. So it is divisible by both 9 as well as 11. Therefore, it is going to be divisible by 99. This is the divisibility test for 99. Similar to like the 88 what we discussed in the last video. Let's take the PYQ based on this 99. Let's answer them. The first question is this. The 9-digit number, we are given some number, is divisible by, they said what? 99, which means it is divisible by 9 as well as divisible by 11. Then what is the value of A and B? When they give A and B, no need to bother, just to substitute A and B value and you check it. Okay, whether it is divisible by 9 and 11. So, for divisibility test for 9, what is that we have to do? We will add all the numbers. Okay. And some of the numbers should be what? Divisible by 9. Now I'm going to just make use of this concept 9, then 3, 6, 9. I can leave it. Then 5, 4, 9. I can leave it. And then 8. Here what? Plus 1 I take it. Then it's going to be what? 6. 8 plus 1, 9. I can leave it. And then I have what? 6. So which means 6 plus A plus B. This is supposed to be what? Either 9 or 18. Okay. If you add all this number, either it should be what? 9. Then only I can say it is divisible by 9. Or if it is 18, then also we can say it is what? Divisible by 9. So if it is 9 means what is it? A plus B, it is going to be what? If you bring that 6, you say it's going to be A plus B is going to be 3. A plus B value 3. Okay, this one. And if you take here this value, then that is 6 plus A plus B, this is equal to 18. Then A plus B is going to be what? 12. Sum of the number is going to be what? 12. Now if you look at the option what they have given. A value 6, B value 10. Sum is going to be what? 10. It is not 12. That means whatever the option here they have given, sum of A plus B is not 3. Like that, they have not given any number. Therefore, this number, this possibility, we are going to rule out. So we are going to go with this possibility only. A plus B, if we add, it should be what? 12. So here A plus B, if you add it, we are getting what? 8. Therefore, this also ruled out. This also ruled out. Now, if we add this 3 and 9, it's 12. There is a possibility for A to be 3, B to be 9. And here, if you take A 4, B as 8, this is also what? 12. There is a possibility for A to be what? 4, B to be 8. Now, we have to verify. So, if you take A as 3, B as 9, okay, then it is going to be divisible by what? 9. Whether it is divisible by 11, that we have to check. Okay. So it is what? 8, 4, 7, 5, 6, 3, 9, and then 3, 9. Now, divisibility test for 11. It's going to be what? Minus 6. This is going to be what? Minus 6. This is going to be what? Minus 1. This is going to be what? Minus 3. Then it is going to be minus 8. So all are minus. If you add all, then it is going to be 11, 12, 24. You are getting minus 24, minus 24. We are getting. Therefore, minus 24 means it is not going to be what? Divisible by 11, 12, sorry. So it's 12. So it's 11, 12, 12 plus 12 minus, 24 only. 24 only we are getting, therefore it is not divisible by 11. That is not a possible answer. Now let's go with the 4 and the 8. We go with the 4 and the 8. Then, what is that? 8, 4, 7, 5, 6, 3, 9, 4, 8. Now apply the divisibility test. For 11, it's going to be what? Minus 4. Here it's going to be minus 6. Then it's going to be minus 1. Then here it's going to be minus 3. Then it's going to be what? Minus 8. We add all the numbers 11, 12, and then 12. So it's going to be what? Minus 22. Minus 22 is divisible by 11. Okay. If you take here A and B as 4 and 8, it is divisible by 9 as well as divisible by 11. Therefore, it is going to be divisible by 99. So this is vanished. This is not true. Therefore, only this option is correct for the question. Okay, hope we have understood. Let's move on to the next question. This is also question based on divisibility test of 99. With a 9-digit number, this is divisible by 99. Then what is the value of x plus y plus z? The question. So 99 means it should be divisible by 9 as well as 11. Okay. The question is about x plus y plus z. They didn't ask individually what is x, y, z. Sum is what? That's what you wanted to find. Okay. Now, if it is divisible by 99 means first it should be divisible by what? 9. In order to be divisible by 9, let's we cross out 9 terms. 9 and then what? Here 8. 8 and then 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 8, it is going to be 22. 22 plus 7, 29. Therefore, here it is going to be what? 2 all numbers cancel. So it's going to be 2 is going to remain. Then what? 2 plus x plus y plus z. It should be what? In order to say it is divisible by 9, either it should be 9 or it should be 18. Okay. So if it is 9 means x plus y plus z, it's going to be what? 9 minus 2, it's going to be 7. Or if it is 18 means x plus y plus z is going to be 18 minus 2 is going to be what? 16. So x plus y plus z either it is 16 or 7. Okay. So hope you have understood how I cancel. I removed all the 9s here. The left over is 2. Then 2 plus x plus y plus z, it is also what? Need to be multiple of 9. Then only I can say it is going to be divisible by 9. Okay. So the possibility sum of all this number should be 9 or what 18. So if I go with 9, I'm getting x plus y plus that is 7. Okay. There is no option here 7. If I go with the 18, I'm getting what? X plus y plus that is equal to 16. Therefore, 16 is the option. Option B, answer is 16. This is how we have to answer this question. Of course, we don't need to go with the 11 here. The question is about x plus y plus that. We are able to find x plus y plus that with the 9 itself. That's it. So, this is the question for you to answer. Just it will take some time to answer, but try to answer this question. Thank you.